That is delicious. It is just blueberries and soda water, and I muddled it a little bit and I mixed it up. I don't have any lime juice. I would have put that in too if I did, but that is a fantastic drink. So the plan today, because it's nice out, we're gonna go up to the beach. I think this is like the latest I've ever recorded a video in the day, expecting to get a full vlog out of it. But we're
Hi.
What's up? Where are you going?
I don't know, where are you going?
I don't know, where are you going?
I don't know. I'm gonna show you my bookmarks that I made.
Sweet, show me your bookmarks.
This one is for my teacher.
Oh.
This one is for my friend Willow. This one is for my friend Willow.
Okay. Very nice.
And then I'll show you the rest inside because I don't want anyone more to blow away.
Okay. So I think we're going to the beach tonight. I want to go out to dinner somewhere super fun.
Yes.
Don't tell the kids.
I'm right here!
Oh, whatever.
I won't tell Miles.
Okay. And I also really want to go fly the drone at the beach at sunset.
Geez.
I haven't even taken it out in the 2 weeks I've had it. I have not taken it anywhere. I flew it a little bit this morning because it was really nice out, but I haven't done it. So get ready at the end of this for some sunset drone footage. What?
Hold on. No drone in 2 weeks? Who are you?
It's been too cold and windy. I haven't even been able to fly it.
Who are you?
I'm doing the best I can, man.
That's your name?
Yes, my name is I'm doing the best I can.
Yeah.
Do you think you can do cartwheels?
Let me see how dry the grass is. First cartwheel in 6 months. Outside.
Whoa! You still got it. I love stop motion. I don't know if that came out well. I'm putting it in no matter what. I know I say that every time, and it always comes out okay, but in my head it comes out differently than how it looks when I do it. Gotta be a little bit more careful with that. There's a lot of camera stuff in there. So I definitely feel like 93, 4% of my life is waiting for my roommates to be done getting ready to go. Hey Miles, are you ready to go? Yup. Also Miles. Hey Miles, are you ready to go? Just gotta go get ready. Kids.
Just for a second.
You smell bananas? Are you having a stroke? A little colder than I thought it would be.
Maybe he had bananas.
And me without any shoes.
We all don't.
Uh-oh. Oh yes, the sand in my toes. I hate the beach, but this is fun. I don't know, I think it's out of season. I don't think I have to pay right now. Unless I get a ticket, at which point, well, whatever.
Then you have to pay.
Yeah. I think over there is a group of TikTokers. What do you think, Michelle? Are they all TikTokers over there?
Yeah.
That's what they look like. How cold do you think that water is?
Ah!
Who's gonna go in?
You.
Should we push Mom in?
No!
Oh, come on.
Okay.
All right, Miles is in. Oh, look, there's sand and water and all kinds of crazy stuff. I love it. Oh, 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 oh my God. That is so cold. You're gonna take the Crocs off to walk across the water? That's the craziest thing. How cold is it? I'm totally, you wanna do some playing? You guys wanna play in the sand while I fly the drone? All right, I got 3 batteries, so. I mean, I have like an hour of drone flying. Excited.
And don't break it this time.
What'd you say?
And don't break it this time.
I have 1 repair left on that. I'm gonna break it. It's kind of fun. Bye. Okay, everybody's cold.
Let's go to the playground.
They're going to the playground and then we're going to get dinner. Yes! Bet it feels faster.
Gotta go faster.
Go faster.
Oh no! It's the same thing that happened last time. I just did something very stupid and I put my camera down and it fell into sand again. My camera may be broken. It's doing the same thing where the shutter won't close all the way and it's only been a week. Why did you let me do that?
It was so quick, I couldn't stop you.
I knew that was gonna happen and I just kept doing it.
Oops, he did it again.
Oh my god. Are you guys ready for some goat for dinner? Yes. The food, not the animal. Hey, you got any warm socks and shoes in there for me?
Absolutely.
Oh. I actually really did mean to put socks and real shoes in my bag before we left. I just didn't. Sinks.
Can you get my popcorn?
I want a burger. Not for nothing, but I really hope that this camera's not broken. I don't want to send it back again. If it is broken, I'm just gonna toss it in a bunch of water and fully break it so they give me a new one. Miles, how hungry are you? Could you eat an entire goat? Because that's where we're going.
No.
The goat only serves goat.
I would eat this sandwich.
Oh!
I mean cheese butter.
Ooh, that sounds great. Are you guys talking about your favorite Disney restaurant?
We're just talking about restaurants in general.
Oh, Mommy, what was yours?
Ohana?
Ooh, good choice.
Ohana means family.
That's right. Watch out for the poop. Actually, I really hope we get to sit up on the top deck because that sunset looks amazing. You may have noticed we are not at the goat. I told you there was no pizza. Don't you want like a burger? There you go. What are you gonna get for a drink?
A hot dog and from my food and I'll have root beer
Root
for
beer?
my drink.
Okay.
Root beer.
Good. So I was just about to say,
Is it broken?
it seems to be okay. There was a little problem with the shuttering, but it's not a problem now. All I need to do is find out if there's a loud cranking, grinding noise
Yeah, you help me
did that
when I
again.
edit this video.
Yeah,
I
you-
can't believe that happened again.
You help me find the time lapse.
Are you doing a time lapse right now?
Yeah, over there.
You are the coolest little dude.
Mini Chris.
Are you serious? Yep. Miles is filming a time lapse right now.
Aww.
I love that you have stuff like in the field of view. Good job, Miles.
Wow.
How'd your time lapse come out, buddy?
Right. Straight up.
Whoa, whoa, look at all the people moving.
And I even put in my
And you put your
hand.
hands in too? Very interesting, I love it. Oh, sorry.